Today I am going to cover live chat trigger and actions. It is a new feature in Go High Level. First go to sub account, then click sites in the left panel. It will show site pages where you can see chat widget menu. Just click on it, then you can see the web chat for your website page. There you can see chat bubble, chat type, widget window, acknowledgement settings, options. Now click chat bubble option to customize your bubble as per your needs. Here you can customize as your need. Then click chat type option. It will show two choice. One is SMS or email option. Another is live chat. Just select live chat. Then click save button at the bottom of the page. Now click on automation menu in the left panel. Inside the automation page, we can see the workflow section. This is the default section of the automation page. Suppose any of your customer replies, you have to create a task for it. So you can create a workflow for it by clicking create workflow button. Click continue in the start from the scratch block. It will go to builder page. And then click add a new trigger. Add a trigger named customer replied. Then add filter by selecting reply channel. Select live chat. Then save the trigger. Now you add action by clicking plus symbol. Enter action name, add tag. And select live chat. Then click save action. Add one more action named add task. Enter title as get user information. Enter title as get user information. And the description as follow up. Then select a specific person from assigned to and select number of days in due in. Click save action. Now you have the trigger of live chat and captured the lead and added inside the go high level tag. Then it is assigned to the user to do the follow up. This is one of the cool feature in Go High Level, and you can create any kind of automation using it. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.